gusto ko lang din pong ibahagi sa mga
Mm.
tagapanood natin na under RA 11930,
Oo.
expanded po ang definition ng minor or child.
Okay.
So even if you're more than 18 years old, but
Okay.
because of some psychological or physical disability, you cannot care for yourself,
Oo.
no? You are also considered as a child or
Okay.
minor under RA 11930.
Okay.
So yun po. Pero yung pong sa katanungan ninyo na kailan ba parang pwede nang bigyan ng
Bigyan
social
ng
media for
oo.
example, no?
Oo.
So nakikita po natin, nababalitaan natin maraming
Mm.
mga bansa ngayon na
Mm.
nagkakaroon ng social media ban
Yes.
for below 16 years
Below
old.
16, oo.
Okay. Meron din pong mga academics and experts no na nagsasabi na kapag 12 years old and preteen, 12 year
Preteen, oo.
12 years old and below, suggested po na talagang supervised use of
Supervised, okay.
na may internet connection. Kung gusto niyo
Okay.
naman po, syempre napaka-busy, no? Hindi
Oo.
naman natin mababantayan yung mga
Oo.
anak natin 24/7. In those instances po that we can't supervise them, kailangan advisable na wag na lang magkaroon ng internet connection muna. As you know, we have to balance yung technical literacy,
Okay.
technological literacy
Oo.
with safety considerations of
Okay.
children, even the impact of,
Mm.
like, let's say, social media in
Mm.
the way, cognitive development, the
Oo.
way they process information. Minsan nawawala na po yun sa kabataan natin because now
Okay.
it's automatic with with
Oo.
AI as well. So
Oo.
yung comprehension nila, yung cognitive, the way that they analyze information,
Mm.
critical thinking,
Mm.
nawawala. And then thirdly, yun din pong attention span. Karoon ng parang exhaustion because
Oo.
it's an always online culture. So
Oo.
yun po, we have to balance all of those things.
Oo.
While we understand that technology brings so many advantages, no,
Mm.
we also have to be informed about the risks
Oo.
and the harmful effects na